to the Linux for Hackers course. Today we're going to cover the hacking, package management and tool installation. So the first command we're going to learn is the apt command. Now, the apt command is used to install and update your system's apt library, or should I just put it like that? So the first thing we're going to do is going to try and update your Linux. So you're going to start sudo-apt update. You're updating all the files on your system when you type this. But when you type sudo-apt upgrade, you are now upgrading. So mostly you update before you upgrade your system. That's how it works. So now let's continue. So let's say we want to install a tool called nmap. And now let's assume nmap is not installed on our system. How do we install it? We use the apt command. So to install the apt, to use the apt command, what we're going to do is we're going to type sudo-apt. Let me clear the screen for you guys. We're going to type sudo-apt install and the application name, right? This is how you type, how you install an application. Then to also remove apt remove, we can remove an application. So we can say sudo-apt remove, then put the application name, which I don't want to remove it right now. So the apt is used to update and upgrade your system. There are so many uses of the apt. So to get more information about the apt, you type apt -- help, and you get all the help information of the apt utility on the command line on Linux, Kali Linux. So yes, apart from that, we have the git clone. Now with the git clone, it is used to clone a repository or file from a GitHub repo. So what we're going to do is that we're going to look for a public available GitHub repo. Then we're going to download a tool from that. So basically, the GitHub actually works in a very nice way. Is that if you want to download something from GitHub, you just type git clone, then you input the URL to that website, that tool that you're downloading. So you can say github.com/wsuite/industries.git. So this is how you can download an application from a file from GitHub. So basically you'll be working with this a lot using git clone. Now there's also something that you must know. For instance, I have a file called googlechrome.stable.currentamd64.deb. It's a Debian file, and I want to actually download it. What do? I have to use the DPKG utility. Then I input the name of the Debian file. Then I use the tag switch. So what I'm gonna do is that DPKG Google Chrome. Then I specify -i to download, to install. Then it says requested operation wants privilege. That is sudo. I need to use super user do. So I type sudo, and it actually installs Google Chrome on my system. That is like an extension. So it's basically like a .exe file that you're going to execute on a Windows machine, but for Linux, for Debian systems. So yes, I'm installing the Google Chrome on my system using this installer. This is how. So I think this is the ending of the course. The next course, I'm going to give you a demo on how to actually perform recon on a target. That's to the first stages of hacking using Kali Linux. Thank you.